How many times have you accidentally mistyped a common git command? When this happens, it can really take you out of your flow, and you'll have to think for a moment how to actually go and fix this. But VS Code actually offers a quicker alternative, terminal quick fixes. These let you go and correct common git misspellings here, so I could go and correct git show to the correct version with a W here, and also fix a few other common terminal issues. Let's take a look at how these work. So I'm going to go back here and mistype the command again, so I'll just say git show without a W. Now, if the command you tried to run has failed and a terminal quick fix is available, you'll see this little light bulb right next to your prompt. If you click on this, it will show possible quick fixes. So in this case, it's identified that I misspelled show, so I can instead run git show with the W here, which is the correct fix. And you can also see that there's an alternative for git shell if that's actually what I meant. All I have to do is click on this, and now it's going to go and run that command. Of course, you can also run these with the keyboard as well. So I'll quit out of this command, just clear the screen again, and I'll say git show, again misspelling that. And instead of using my mouse this time, to save even more time, I'm instead going to press Control dot or Command dot. This is going to open up that same quick fix menu. It's actually the same command you would use in the editor to open the quick fixes. Now I can use my arrow keys to arrow through the list here. And then once I find the fix that I want, I can just press Enter. And now it's gone and run that command. Now, not every command is going to have an available quick fix, but VS Code is adding additional quick fixes all the time. And there are ones for git misspellings. There's ones for if you're trying to run a process on a port that's already in use. So if I said something like HTTP server, I'm running on port 8080 here. And then let's go and actually try to start another server on that exact same port. So I'll say HTTP server again, running the exact same command on the same port. You'll see that, hey, it's actually told me that this address is in use. And there's a quick fix that is available in this case that I can say, let's go and free port 8080, which will go and kill the first server that I started here. So that's kind of a helpful quick fix. You can see that now I can run that command again over in my second terminal over here, and the first server has been killed using that quick fix. So it can just save you a little bit of time. The VS Code docs have a more complete list of the available quick fixes, and if you'd like to see an additional one, make sure to file a feature request against VS Code. So that's a quick look at terminal quick fixes in VS Code. They can often save you a few seconds when working with the terminal.